everybody, I'm Candace. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your scientist turned rancher and I'm an essential oil specialist. Now a friend of mine recently shared this recipe with me that I'm going to share with you today, and it's a DIY laundry soap. Now my family has accused me of being cheap. I like to call it frugal. You know, there's nothing wrong with saving a little money, especially right now with inflation so high. So let's get started. This natural and effective laundry soap is made from really simple ingredients. We're going to use a cup of baking soda, a cup of washing soda, 1 cup of Castile soap, and a half a cup of citric acid. And then we're going to add some essential oils for a little extra added cleaning, power, and antibacterial property. Washing soda and citric acid are easily found in the laundry or cleaning aisles of most stores. Now I get mine on Amazon, and I'll put some links for you in the show notes below. So these ingredients help to soften water and break down dirt, making this a powerful but gentle alternative to conventional laundry detergents. Plus, it's septic safe and can be used in HE machines. The Castile soap really helps to lift dirt and grime from your clothes while being gentle on the fabrics. And for that fresh, clean scent, that's why we added those essential oils. These not only make your clothes smell amazing, but also have natural antibacterial properties. And remember, always know what's in your essential oil bottle. Make sure they're pure. Now, I've been testing this for a couple of weeks after my friend shared it with me. It really works great. You're going to love it. You guys are not going to believe how easy this is. I'm just going to put my 1 cup of baking soda, a cup of my washing soda, and the half of a cup of citric acid into a large mixing bowl. Then I'm going to give that a quick little mix. When I add the Castile soap, it does fizz up, and that's fine. It's because of that citric acid that does that. So I'm just going to give it a really, really good stir here. And then I just get to add my essential oils. So I'm going to use 20 drops of lemon and 20 drops of lavender. Make sure you get those essential oils mixed in really well. And as you stir it and mix it up, that fizzing will go down, so you can actually get it to fit into your airtight container that we're going to put it into. And that's it. It is so easy. And this is such an effective laundry soap. Now, once everything is combined, you're going to transfer your laundry soap to an airtight container. I like to repurpose. And you're going to store it in a cool, dry place, and you're all set. And before we finish up, I just want to let you guys know I have an awesome free guide in the show notes below that shows you how many drops of oil to use for an equivalent teaspoon or tablespoon of spice. To use your DIY laundry soap, you're just going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your washer per load. And this recipe makes around 32 loads of laundry. I love this DIY laundry soap because it's better for our skin, it's better for the environment, and it's really good for our wallets. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural living tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.